So what I'm going to do is stop this every once in a while. I'll just try to change the difficulty level so that you can see. This one's a little different than the ones in the past because it has the subtraction here. It's still a basic two-step though. You have a term with a variable, you have a constant, you have your inequality symbol, which is greater than, and then you have 10. So let's move that over here for 1 second so you can see it. So you have 7t minus 4 is greater than 10. You're trying to isolate this term with the variable. So we're going to undo subtraction with addition. Those are additive inverses. The coefficient on this term is a 7 being multiplied. We undo multiplication with division. That simplifies to a 1. And u of t is greater than 2. So what that means is every single number on the number line that is greater than 2 is going to make it true. 2 would not be included. If we were going to graph this, and this was the 2, this would be an open circle here, not including this, all values that are greater, okay? So any number that is actually greater than 2, but equal to 2 would not work here. So when I mean work, I mean hold true. So we have that t is greater than 2. All right, so while I'm trying to kick this up a notch here, like you have some negative value on this side right now, what we would do is subtract 3 from both sides. And if we do that, and I'll just write this over here, there's nothing better than the sound of a pencil on paper while you're doing math. So here you would subtract 3 from both sides. Listen closely to it, guys. That pencil against the paper is so nice. You can't beat that. All right, then undo multiplication with division. Now this time, just have to pay attention to your signs a little bit, okay? So negative 20 divided by 5, you're gonna have negative 4. Now remember with inequalities, it's not just one answer. You don't say Q is greater than or equal to. It confuses the brain a little bit because you're used to getting one value for one variable. You should read this as all numbers, all values that are greater than or equal to negative 4, okay? So we'll go over here, pop this guy in, and then we'll hopefully amp up the difficulty. So greater than or equal to negative 4. The one thing that I want you guys to understand is if they put the variable on the right side, that does cause problems for some kids. So I'm actually going to pause this here and I'm going to pick up with one of those types of problems in a minute. And I'll catch up back with you.